This tumble dryer from Samsung boasts an A++ energy rating, so you can be sure that you're getting an efficient performance. OptimalDry automatically adjusts the drying time to best suit the temperature and moisture levels, which gives your clothes the care they require and avoids wasting electricity. Get the best results every time. Heat pump technology offers more efficient drying with a gentle touch for a cost-effective performance that doesn't compromise on results. Using Smart Control, you can enjoy effortless remote control via the compatible smartphone app, perfect for monitoring your laundry when you're out or adjusting settings when you're busy at home. With ample space for large loads, this Samsung tumble dryer is ideal for family households.